welcome back to HESL. We are an online English school, so if you want to join our class, please go and check our website. It's www.hesl.com. See you soon.
Okay.
All right, see you later, alligator.
See ya.
Oh boy, she's having so much fun. Look how much fun she's having.
Let's go now to lesson 8, and we have a new vocabulary. It is a fortune. A fortune. It means a lot of money.
The price of that car would be in Singapore.
In American dollars?
In US dollars, yeah.
70,000.
Not even close. It's a US 130,000.
What?
Yes!
If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now because we try to upload new videos every other day. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell.
Whoa! Look, Mr. Steve! This car looks so nice.
You're right, Cookie. Oh, for sure, that one costs a fortune.